Have you noticed Meta App Installer in your Android settings and wondered why it's there? If you never installed it yourself, don't worry. Here's what it is, what it does, and whether you should keep it or disable it. What is Meta App Installer? Meta App Installer is a system app developed by Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. It comes pre-installed on many Android phones from brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo, Realme. Unlike regular apps, it doesn't appear on your home screen and works quietly in the background. What does it do? Its main purpose is to help install and update Meta apps on your device. It can install Meta apps during phone setup, help update Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, work with Meta App Manager and Meta services, improve compatibility, and enable new features. Think of it as an installer and updater designed specifically for Meta apps. Why is it already on your phone? Many smartphone manufacturers partner with Meta and include these system apps by default. Even if you don't use Facebook or Instagram, Meta App Installer may still remain installed to support future app installations and updates. Is it safe? Yes. It is a legitimate Android system app, not malware or a virus. However, it runs in the background. It may contact Meta servers for updates. Some users prefer to disable it for additional privacy. Should you keep it or disable it? Keep it if you use Facebook, Instagram, or Messenger, want automatic updates, prefer the best app compatibility. Disable it if you don't use Meta apps, want fewer background services, prefer more privacy and control. Can you delete it? Most Android phones won't let you uninstall Meta App Installer because it's a system app. However, you can often open Settings, go to Apps, select Meta App Installer, tap Disable if the option is available. Meta App Installer isn't dangerous, but it isn't essential for everyone. If you don't use Meta apps, disabling it can reduce unnecessary background activity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out the full article linked in the description for more details.